I guess today share ko yung 3 potential airdrop na hindi kailangan ng KYC. Hindi kagaya nitong si Pi. Kailangan ng KYC, tagal mo magantay, tapos pending, kukunin yung information ninyo. So, these 3 airdrop guys is Telegram, kailangan ng browser, at Deepen project guys, no? So, cellphone pwede. And discuss natin yan dito sa video natin today, itong tatlong app at potential airdrop dito guys. Pero bago tayo dito magsimula, kung hindi nyo pa na-like itong video na ito, please like this video first. Subscribe nyo yung YouTube channel natin, turn all the bell icon para ma-notify kayo dito sa mga updates natin na ginagawa sa ating YouTube channel guys, no? So, ang daming ma-disappointed dito ngayon kay Pi, especially sa yung mga OGs pa na mga nagmamind dito. Base lang ito sa community forums guys, no? And yun, share ko lang itong tatlong ito, Deepen project, ito sa Telegram, ito kailangan nyo ng browser, mag-farm ka lang dito, kailangan mo ng X, ayan, Twitter X, no? And basic lang, para makapag-farm dito ng points, kailangan mo maging active. Like for example, ayan, meron tayong nakuha na pinaka-points, and dito naman, just like tap ng mga minigames apps, and they mentioned dito, no, yung potential airdrop this Q1, which is Q1. And you can just browse this one guys, yung mga official links. Lalagay ko na lang sa description ng video na ito para mapuntahan nyo, and para na rin makaiwas sa mga phishing links online dito guys, no. So next, itong si Gradient naman, ito, it's a Deepen project, kagaya siya ni Grass. Wala din ditong pinaka KYC. I just use my second Solana wallet, Burner wallet, to connect and makapag-farm dito guys. Nakalaman dito may wifi ka. Same goes with Grass guys. It's a Deepen project. It's an AI sector na project, and install mo lang. End part ng video guys, share ko na lang yung video kung paano dito mag-farm gamit yung cellphone ninyo guys, no. Itong tatlong ito, pwede sa cellphone. So, just create an account lang dito, and sundin itong mga tasks. Connect yung X account. If you have desktop, you can install your desktop app dito, and connect, Google Connect guys, no. So, this is SSI Airdrop. Season 2, meron na sila ditong ginawa. Ongoing yung kanilang season 2 guys, no. So, pwede nyo itong puntahan. I shared this already a few days ago, and you can just explore this SSI Airdrop guys, no. It's an AI-driven news aggregator. Malaking tulong if ever na gusto mong magbasa ng mga latest news in crypto, as well as yung ETF data available din dito. Itong kay Bloom naman, Telegram. Kay Telegram, pwede nyong i-access ito. Like, meron sila ditong farming phase pa lang sa drop game, still on the farming phase. Yung earn, dito sa my earn, you can browse as well yung earn nila. You can claim ng mga points dito by watching videos and also doing some simple tasks dito guys, no. Walang KYC. Next one, ayan, ito yung pinaka user interface. Gradient as well, install, and open mo lang yung pinaka internet application. Desktop ay magko-farm na siya dito guys, no. Walang KYC as well. So ito yung tatlong apps na tinitingnan ko as of now. Again, it's purely speculation. Ito, namigay na to si SSI Airdrop, at season 2 na sila guys, no. Bloom, isa sa mga tinitingnan natin. Potential airdrop din this coming months, no. So I've been waiting dito. And itong kay Gradient, we'll see kung magkakaroon sila dito ng updates. It's purely speculative guys, yung mga airdrop, and that's not guarantee, no. So itong tatlong to guys, pwede nyo i-explore, and kung meron kayo mga questions, feel free to comment lang sa comment section ng video na ito. If hindi nyo pa napapanood yung video guys na ginawa natin gamit yung cellphone, paano mag-farm dito, lalagay ko na lang dito sa screen. And see you sa video na yan guys. Maraming salamat ulit sa panunood. Ingat tayong lahat. Peace out. Bye for now.